Today we are learning the second law of exponents called the power rule. The power rule states that if a to the power of m is raised to the power of n, the answer is simply a to the power of mn, which means that you need to keep the base a and multiply the powers m and n. Here are the 5 examples. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Simplify. Your answer should only contain positive exponents. Question 1. X squared to the power of 4. According to the power rule, we simply keep the base x and multiply the powers 2 and 4. So the answer for this number 1 is x to the power of 8. Question number 2. The quantity x squared y to the 4th to the power of 3. For this problem, we have two variables x and y. So we need to apply the power rule for each variable. For the variable x, we will have x to the power of 2 times 3. For the y, we have y to the power of 4 times 3. So the answer is x to the power of 6, y to the power of 12. Question number 3. The quantity 3x squared y to the 4th to the power of 2. For problem number 3, we have a numerical coefficient and the variables x and y. Power rule applies not just to the variables x and y, but also the numerical coefficient. So this means we need to do 3 to the power of 2, x to the power of 2 times 2, and y to the power of 4 times 2. Simplifying this, 3 squared means 3 times 3, so that's a 9. X to the power of 2 times 2, that's a 4. And y to the power of 4 times 2, that is an 8. So the answer is 9x to the 4th, y to the 8. Question number 4. The quantity 2x squared z to the 3rd to the power of 4. For question number 4, we also apply the power rule to the variables and the numerical coefficients. So we will have 2 to the power of 4, x squared times the 4, z to the 3rd times 4. Simplifying this, 2 to the 4th power means multiplying the 2 by itself 4 times. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 16 as the value for 2 to the 4th. The power of x will be 2 times 4, that's 8. The power for z is 3 times 4, which is 12. So the answer for number 4 is 16, x to the 8, z to the 12. Question number 5. The quantity 3a to the 4th, b squared, c squared to the power of 4. For number 5, we apply the power rule to the variables a, b, and c, and the numerical coefficient 3. So we will have 3 to the 4th power, a to the 4th times 4, b to the power of 2 times 4, and c to the power of 2 times 4. 3 to the 4th means multiplying 3 by itself 4 times, and that will give us 81. A to the power of 4 times 4, that's 16. B to the power of 2 times 4, that's 8. And c to the power of 2 times 4, that's also 8. So the answer for number 5 is 81, a to the 16th, b to the 8, c to the 8. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.